Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Have you done your homework? Good. So let's start our online class. Are you ready? Very good. Students, today I am going to teach you finding the value of a known variable k. Finding the value of a known variable k. Okay. There are three conditions. First is if roots are real and equal. If roots are real and equal. And second condition, if roots are real and distinct. Roots are real and distinct. Okay. And third condition is roots are imaginary. Roots are imaginary. Okay. So students, we will understand with the help of examples. Okay. Students, for finding the value of k, if roots are real and equal. If roots are real and equal. So let us take an example. Example, kx x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. Kx bracket x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0, and condition is if roots are real and equal. If roots are real and equal. Okay. So first of all, convert into quadratic equation. Okay. So kx multiply x, so we get kx square. Kx multiply minus 2, so we get minus 2kx. Okay. And plus 6 equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. Okay. Because the degree of polynomial is 2. Degree of polynomial is 2. Okay. Now, students, A it means coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is k. Okay. And B, coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is minus 2k. Minus 2k. Okay. And C is constant term. C is a constant term. So 6. Understood? Now discriminant. Discriminant D equals to B square minus 4AC. Discriminant B square minus 4AC. Now put the values. B square, it means the value of B is minus 2k. Minus 2k square minus 4 into the value of A. The value of A is k into C. The value of C is 6. Understood? Move on next step. Minus 2k square. So we get 4k square. Okay. And 6 4s are 24k. Understood? Now, what is the common in bottoms? 4k. And we get k minus 4 6 are 24. K minus 6. 4k and k minus 6. Understood? Now, students, our condition is roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. So, roots are real and equal. Okay? Then, discriminant is equal to 0. Discriminant equal to 0 if roots are real and equal. So, the value of discriminant 4k bracket k minus 6. 4k bracket k minus 6 equal to 0. Understood? Now, 4k equals to 0 and k minus 6 equal to 0. 4k equal to 0 and k minus 6 equal to 0. Okay. 2 factor. And k equals to 0 by 4, so we get k equals to 0. K equal to 0. Understood? And here k equals to plus 6. K equals to plus 6. So the value of k. So the value of k is 0 and 6. So the value of k is value of k is 0 and 6. It is our answer. Understood? Our second point is for finding the value of k. If roots are real and distinct. If roots are real and distinct. So let us take an example. Kx square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Kx square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. It is our quadratic equation, and condition is if roots are real and distinct. If roots are real and distinct. Okay. So first of all, the value of a is coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square, it means k. And the value of b, coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 2. Okay. And third is c. Third is c. So the value of c is 1. Okay. Now discriminant d equal to b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. Put the values. B square, it means square of 2. Okay. Minus 4 into the value of a is k into the value of c is 1. Understood? Now move on next step. Square of 2 we get 4 minus 4k. 4 minus 4k. Okay. What is the common? 4. Then we get 1 minus k. 4 bracket 1 minus k. Okay. Now our condition is if roots are real and distinct. Roots are real and distinct. Roots are real and distinct. So d greater than 0. The value of d is greater than 0. D, it means discriminant b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Okay. So the value of d is 4 bracket 1 minus k greater than 0. Okay. It is value of d. So we get 1 minus k greater than 0. Okay. 1 minus k greater than 0 and 1 greater than the value of k, go to right side of the greater than sign. Okay. So we get 1 greater than k, it means k less than 1. K less than 1. Okay. So the value of k is less than 1. The value of k is less than 1. It is our answer. Have you understood? Students, our third point is find the value of k for which equation x square plus 5kx plus 16 equal to 0 and condition is no real root. No real root. Okay. So we have to solve. X square plus 5kx plus 16 equal to 0. It is our quadratic equation. Okay. And condition is no real root. Okay. So the value of a is 1. A, it means the coefficient of x square, and b, coefficient of x. So 5k. Okay. And the value of c is 16. The value of c is 16. Okay. Now d equal to b square minus 4ac, discriminant. D, it means discriminant. Put the values. 5k square minus 4 into value of a is 1 into the value of c is 16. Okay. So we get 25k square 25k square minus 4 into 1 into 16. So we get 64. Understood? Students, condition is no real root. Condition is no real root. It means the value of d. The value of d is less than 0. The value of d is less than 0. नो रियल रूट कब होता है? जब डिस्क्रिमिनेंट क्या हो? 0 से लेस देन. सो नो रियल रूट. सो d less than 0. The value of d is 25k square minus 64 less than 0. Understood? Now we can write 5k whole square minus 64. So we can write square of 8 less than 0. Okay. Now here a square minus b square, algebraic formula, a square minus b square, it means a plus b and a minus b. Okay. So 5k plus 8 and 5k minus 8 less than 0. Less than 0. There are two conditions. So first is 5k plus 8 less than 0. It is first condition. And second is 5k minus 8 less than 0. Okay. Here 5k less than minus 8, 5k less than minus 8, and next step k less than minus 8 by 5. Minus 8 by 5. Students, ध्यान रहे, जब भी यहाँ पे नंबर माइनस में आ जाए, जब भी यहाँ पे नंबर क्या आ जाए? माइनस में, तो कंडीशन स्टेटमेंट चेंज हो जाएगा. लेस देन की जगह क्या साइन हो जाएगा? ग्रेटर देन. So we will write here k greater than minus 8 by 5. K greater than minus 8 by 5. इस चीज का खास तौर से ध्यान रखें. Okay. And second condition 5k less than 8. 5k less than 8 and k less than 8 by 5. K less than 8 by 5. पॉजिटिव नंबर में जो साइन इसमें लग रखा है वही यूज करना है. Okay. So the value of k is less than 8 by 5 and the value of k is greater than minus 8 by 5. Okay. These are the value of k. K greater than minus 8 by 5 and k less than 8 by 5. Okay. Have you understood every step of this question? Thank you.